I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving your student status right away. Use your school email or a clear photo of your student ID. Once logged into your Samsung account, go to the Student Discounts or Samsung Members area and choose Student Verification. Provide the required school details and upload the ID. This speeds approval. Make sure your school name matches official records. Mismatch causes delays. If you need, refresh the enrollment document so it's readable and not cropped. Once your documents are uploaded, follow the verifier's prompts step by step. Sometimes Samsung uses a third-party service like Sheer ID or Student Beans. Provide the exact graduation year and student type when asked, because verification rules depend on your status. After submitting, watch for an email confirmation and a verification code to apply the discount. If approval is delayed, check spam folders and retry with a clearer document. Keep your Samsung account open in another. You finish by applying the student promo code at checkout and verifying the discounted price before payment. Once the code applies, choose shipping and complete purchase normally. Save the order confirmation. If the code does not appear, recheck your verification status in the Samsung account and reapply the code. Sometimes logging out and back fixes session issues. Troubleshooting tip. If uploads fail, convert images to a clear PDF or JPG and re-upload. Then contact Samsung support with your verification ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.